Everything with feathers absolutely has to fly.
Why must they fly?
Some creatures have two wings that flap, but you won't find them up there in the sky.
Try, they're not up there in the sky.
Gravity they don't defy, they'll never soar, won't even try. Have you heard? That's a flightless bird. With wings that flap, they've been supplied, but after that things went awry. Well, have you heard? That's a flightless bird. They're quite content, they're on the ground. To see them, don't look up, look down.
Ostrich, kiwi, penguin, emu.
They all can't fly. They're little birds.
Penguins, swimmer, it's all frozen for flying. They've not been chosen. Ostriches are fast as lightning.
Do they fly?
Who, us? Too frightened.
Say the emu from Australia and the great New Zealand kiwi.
Some birds were born to fly, but I just gotta be me.